As SG, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the ODM Youth League for holding a successful meeting here in Machakos County. Those of you who know, ODM is an extremely organized political party. And we have 3 leagues: the Youth League, the Women League, and the ODM Disability League. And all these leagues are critical to the functioning and the success of this party. I am extremely encouraged by the message that has come out of this meeting that this party will retain its identity, even in light of recent developments with the formation of the broad-based government. That tells me that the young people in this party know who they are, they know themselves, and they know their party. And therefore, Mr. President, I want to congratulate you for continuing with the good work of ensuring that you fly the flag of ODM as high as possible. I want to also congratulate you for your support for the candidature of our party leader, and I want to report to you, as the young people in the party, that everything is going well. So far, so good. And we continue with your support and the prayers for the party leader. I believe that in the fullness of time, he shall be able to make it to the AUC. I want to thank you, Honorable President, for also endorsing the proposal that came from the Central Committee on the changes to the leadership in the party, beginning with the 3 deputy party leaders, one of whom is here with us and he will speak to you shortly, and also the new chairperson, the Honorable Gladys Wanga. I want to thank you wholeheartedly for endorsing that position, and tomorrow, starting Friday, we will be convening a meeting of the National Executive Committee in Mombasa to actually now ratify those decisions. And I am happy to be going to Mombasa knowing that the Youth League will support the proposals that have come from the Central Committee of the party. So beyond that, I really don't want to say much. We are here with members of parliament. We are here with the deputy party leader and the governor of Siaya. I request that they also just say one word. I want to request that maybe we begin with the youngest of all, Honorable Umi, Member of Parliament from Garissa on ODM. Karibu Mheshimiwa.